Hello everyone, my name is John Grimsmo. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the whey oil and how we pump the machines full of whey oil. So this lathe especially drinks whey oil for breakfast, and we have to fill this tank like once a week or maybe even every couple days if we're running it really hard. Whey oil gets pumped between all the slide ways and all the linear ways and everything. So we used to have a very complicated way to do it, where we'd have our bucket, pull the cap off. We bought this huge syringe, which is very difficult to suck up. So we put it in the bucket, we'd suck, and then go over here and drip everywhere and like put it in and drip everywhere, and it sucked. As cool as this big syringe is, I didn't like that method. And then I came up with this. We got the lower Dolly from ULine. We'll add prices and descriptions in the description of the video. But yeah, the Dolly was, I'm not sure, under $100, probably $50. And then our bucket of whey oil, and then this pumper cap from McMaster, which was, I think, around $70, worth every penny. Here's the nozzle. And there's actually a nice little hole in the top of the lid where it just drains back whenever it's not being used. So pull the cap off. I'm going in here. So I want this thing to be full. That's about good. Usually I'll have a paper towel in my other hand here. Catch that last drip. Put it back. Put the cap back on. This machine is now good for a little while. Using this just makes it like a pleasure to do this job. It used to be such a pain in the butt. Nobody ever wanted to do it. Okay, so let's roll over to the chore nose. We'll fill that with the same whey oil. So we have our magic trap door right here. Look at that clearance. Oh, it's perfect. So I roll it right in there. Give myself that paper towel. Actually drew a line right here with Sharpie where it says alarm level. If the oil gets below that level, then the machine alarms out and it won't make parts, and it's really dumb. So I'm going to fill it up early now, all the way to the top, so that I don't hit that alarm and then not make parts, because that's silly. On the other lathe, I actually 3D printed a handle to go on top to like get this off. I got it. The machine's running right now. I can fill it while it's running. Just fits. Love it. Makes it so easy. I posted this on Instagram a couple weeks ago, and I got so many DMs from people like, oh, where'd you get that? So as I'm filling it now, because I had to, I called Aaron down and I was like, let's do a quick video on this, because the people out there that need this, that have never seen it before, will really appreciate this. So I wish I had known about it the day I bought that lathe, but I did not. And I really wish these things were auto-filling, where you just put a 5-gallon bucket next to it and it just auto-sucks it up, but that's not the case. I think I might have overfilled it. I'm just so excited being on video. No, it's good. So anyway, that's my whey oil filler-upper machine video for you. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.